everybody, how are we doing today? My name is Bob, and I'm excited to talk to you about one of our unique copper vessel sinks that we carry for the bathroom. This is the name is Andulusia, and the part number on the left is the TCV-005NA, and that's for the natural. And this guy on the right is TCV-005AN. And so I'm going to highlight some differences and some similarities between the two, just kind of as a general consensus of this product series, just to give you a little bit of information as to what you can expect when you open up that box. So let's dive into it. So this one on the left here is the natural finish, and as you can tell, it's a little dramatic. Not only do you get a unique shape, but you get a lot of character going on just with the colors and the tones. You get some darker tones, you get some lighter tones, and that's just the way the natural finish is. It's kind of a personal favorite of mine, just because it gives you a little bit of drama in the bathroom, and depending on the countertop, I mean, this is really gonna stand out. It's really gonna pop for you. And these are all constructed out of 14 gauge copper, which is some of the thickest on the market. You really get a thick piece. You're definitely not going to be able to bend this or anything like that. I mean, these are really strong, durable pieces. Quality is a big thing for our copper vessel sinks. These are handmade in Mexico. And so you just get a superior product. They're not like a machine pressed copper sink where everyone is going to be the same. You do get a little bit of differences just in the hammering of it because they are handmade. The patterns of them are always going to be consistent, but you'll just notice some very small nuances. And that's a little bit more prevalent in like the antique finish here. There's a few thousand hammer strikes in these. So as you can imagine, it does take a little bit of time to make each one of these. And that kind of makes this piece unique for, for you in your bathroom. So it's not something that's just going to be in every single bath either. These are 16 inches, basically all the way around here as a diameter, and 6.5 inches tall. So it's a little bit taller vessel sink, but it gives you quite a bit of room to wash your hands, for like say a powder room or master bath, things like that. And when you get them out of the box and you're ready to install them, we recommend a 1.5 countertop hole for the counter, because that is what you have here on your sink here. It's an 1.5 hole, and that makes installation pretty easy and seamless with a strainer drain here, which is what we recommend. It'll simply fit in there kind of like so, and voila, a nice flat finish there for you. Most people, of course, use oil rubber bronze, which is what I'm showing here. So after you get it installed, get it all wiped down, we would recommend to put like a wax on it. There are a couple different copper waxing compounds out there, and you'll simply just rub it on here. What that's going to do is help buffer it from, say, water spotting, and just make maintenance a lot easier for you as you go forward. It is real copper. It's 99+% recycled copper, and so with that you do get the living qualities of it. So if you would say leave like tomatoes or lemons, limes, of course these are bathroom sinks, but if you would leave something in there like that overnight, it'll leave kind of a shinier spot on it. But typically speaking, copper does have the ability to heal itself, and so it'll actually darken up over time and it'll look like new again. So sometimes it'll get a little bit darker, just kind of depending on it, of course. And that's really gonna be the thing that people worry the most about, but it's nothing really to be too alarmed. But the other cool thing about that living feature is you do get a antibacterial feature on it as well. And so copper, just as an element, is antibacterial. A lot of people don't know that, but it's actually kind of a unique thing when you think about it, just for the bathroom's sake. So that's a great little feature. That kind of wraps it up. These are certainly unique pieces, and these are great fits for log cabin. You could even do a commercial setting if you wanted to. We've seen them in master bathrooms, stuff like that, kind of a Tuscan finish. but there's really no wrong spot for them. We've seen them in multiple applications. But if you're looking for some more information or you just want to chat with us, feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email. Thanks.